everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your iPhone connected to your account using your iPhone. So this is actually really easy if you have multiple different iPhones like I do. We can just go to settings and go to our account on the top right here. Scroll on down under here and you can see your iPhones listed on your account. Just choose the iPhone. Maybe you have like a family account and you have multiple people on there. Just go ahead and choose your iPhone, so I'm going to do that right now. And then right at the top of the screen, it's going to give you an option to find your iPhone. So we can just tap this right now. And then right there, you can see where the iPhone is located. So if they're connected to the internet or mobile data, you can find it exactly where they are located. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.